Hello, good evening. I would like to do a brief um, summary about your your mock assessment paper because I want to highlight some problems that may quite difficult. Okay, first one I want to highlight is about this one. Explain the differences between a VLookup and lookup functions. Okay, I would like to deal with it. And the second things will be I want to deal with this problem. I want how it works. This lookup, and then if it doesn't work, what improvements we can do to make it work again. Okay, the second one, right? Now the third one, we will go to this one about the multiple ifs. What's the difference between the multiple ifs and the VLookup functions? Is it work in the same way? The last thing I would like to talk about the test, this test in the work document, how it to be converted to a table format. And maybe the last one is about the spell check, how it works, how can you get the mark, fulfill the mark scheme. Okay, first thing I would like to talk about the differences between VLookup and lookup functions. So what's the difference? I would like to use these examples. You can watch here. I want to find the mark. Based on the mark to find out the sequence number in here. It means that 40 returns 1, 60 returns the 3, something like that. But in VLookup, we cannot do the backward searching. It means that in your left hand side, you only can search the result on your right hand side. It means that forward, like that. So I show you the real examples. We watch here. Here's lookup. Here's VLookup, and this VLookup again. This one is exact match. This one is similar match. So I would like to use the lookup first. I would like to search the marks here and would like to return the sequence number. So in lookup, maybe look like that. How normally we look like that. Fx and maybe yeah. Equal sign look up and then bracket select the first one and then it will fx the first one. So how to use it? Lookup value. Looks a value either from a one row or one column. It means that you can use H lookup or V lookup or from an array. Array means that a sequence of cells provided for backward compatibility. It means that you can search the result in your left hand side. Lookup value. Lookup value is the value that looks up set searches for in lookup vector. You just search in here and then and can be number, test, anything like that. Okay, so lookup value. I want to look up this one. It means that use the number to search the sequence number. Lookup vector. Okay, lookup vector. It means that be from here and then lookup vector should be this one and the result what you want to return this one. Okay, I would like to highlight this word in ascending order. It means that 40, 50, 60 it must be in ascending order because it uses a similar merge such as in the VLookup. Similar merge means that you need to search the similar. You need to merge the first letter, and then you can return the result. So just like to search. Okay, 40, right? How about 41? 41 it's how about input 41 because it matched the 4, right? So it still return the sequence number 1. And then 49 still this one, 50 return this one, 51 still this one too, 59 this one, because we are using the similar merge. Okay, but the exact match will, if you put input 41 here, you will get an NA, you will get an error because low 41 here. So the big difference is like that. About the lookup vector must be in ascending orders. For those similar match, we must put the order in an ascending orders. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Because you can imagine if you in a random number, how can you search and go down to return a similar result to you? So must be in ascending order if you are using the similar merge. Okay, so here B2 to look up value, look up this one, use this key to look up this one and return the A2 to AX. So should be here. So I type 70 should be IV4, right? 71. Still, you don't care about this one. So for still 71 still give you the 4. How about this one? 79 still 4, right? 80 become V, meaning 5, right? Like that. So it means that you can do the backward compatibility, and also the value you search must be in ascending order. So this is the difference. How about the VLookup? If I cannot do the same thing, it means that use the key on your right hand side to search the result on your left hand side. So I do the same thing for you. So I use the equal sign and VLookup. And then VLookup, if I look up this the value, and the table array should be the whole, right? So I include everything, otherwise I cannot return, right? Column index, which column you want to return? First one, but you can see nothing here. And the range lookup, you can use the closest, it means the similar match. Like you can see, similar match must be sorted in ascending order. How can you use similar match? Just key in the true here. You can see true or omitted or key in nothing. It means the similar merge. If you want to use exact merge, you can use false or use 0. So you must put in something here to use the exact merge. For here, I want to use a similar merge. So I put the true here. So you can see NA. Because it cannot do the search in left hand side, it means the backward side. So it doesn't work. But how about you change the result? If I use the result in the table array, I change it here. I want to search the map and return the gray. So the table array here and the column index value, I want to return the second one. Because we start from here, second one, I want to return gray, so a second, you can see the B, here, right? It's B, right? 80 B, and now I use the similar merge. Okay, similar merge, and then you can see get a B, right? Similar merge, B, and then how about I'm using the similar merge, so I use the similar merge, and this one exact. So I want to show you the difference between them. Exact. So here, so similar words, right? Similar, so it means that 80 or 81 is the same result. Low NA, low error, because you are using similar. Even there's low 81 here. So I use 90, maybe 91, you get A, right? But how about I use this one, I change to the exact merge. So I just copy the formula here, and then to here, and then just directly change the false to a true, maybe like that, true to false, or 0. Okay, exact match. So I use the false or 0. Okay, I use exact match. Okay, as you can see, 91 already see error, right? 90, it works well because we still have 90 here, but 91 doesn't work because you need exact merge. There are no exact 91 here, but similar can work because you can see line, at least line is equal, so you can return the A to you. Okay, conclusion. Lookup can use in the left hand side, backward compatible. Okay, VLookup and VLookup only can use in the right hand side, forward, and then a similar match. It means that you can find in the similar. It means that merge the first letter, but exact match must exactly have this same value in here, just like that. 91 skill similar words still can get A, but exact match NA because low 91 here. Now I go to next one. Next one is about here. Well, I finished this one, right? Next one about the here. As you can see, we look up D2 this one. D2 in which area? A2 to C7. I want to find A2 to C7 this area and return the third column 1 2 3. It means that 31 here and return this one David James here. Because it's omitted, it means that it's using the similar merge here. Omitted. You can see here. Omitted or true. Omitted or true. It's like that. Omitted or true using a similar merge. As I said before, similar merge must be in ascending order. Otherwise, it cannot find. So it must be a problem here. So for here, where certain room number are typed in the cell D2 here, and unexpected results appear in cell E2, suggest improvement that could be made. Okay, first one, as you can see here, right? I copy the fake exactly the same thing. So because it is using the true omitted, right? True omitted, it means a similar merge. So looks like work. 31. How about 20 line? Okay, 20 line. What happened? You can see 20 line should be this one, but return say fader caliber because I think it help you to sort ascendingly automatically to sort. So should be return the first one 20 line similar words. So 2 similar this one. Okay, like that. So it should be return this one. So it looks like weird, right? How about 30? Okay, 30. Oh, okay, doesn't work. 30 should be Julieta Dias. Return this one. Wow, looks very many problem here. 49. How about that? You can see. It looks like it still can work, right? Very weird the result, and you cannot have a predictable result. How can you fix it? As I said here, because you can see it's lot ascending, you should be use the exact merge. So it should be false or 0, up to you. Maybe false. So and then you change 49. Everything works very well. And 28. You can see very well. It's 26 again. You can see very well. And this is the first solution. The second solution is that don't add the false, just leave it blank. It means that we keep the original closest match, it means similar merge, but what happened? 26. I'm using the similar merge. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, like that. Okay, you see like that. It's because now I sort. How about I sort the room number in an ascending order. You can fix the problem. Okay, here I select the whole area and I use the sort and a custom sort. I want to sort by the room value smallest to the largest. It means that ascending order. Okay, if I search, I sort like that. 29, you see, everything works very well because I have this search for 31 David James. So the answer should be what? First, add false or 0 to the end. It means that use the exact merge. Second one, if you keep to use the similar merge, you must ascend. Put the data in ascending order. Okay, the last one. Okay, go here. So we are using the multiple ifs to do what? Actually, is using the what? Find the result here. What's that? If B4, this one B4, this one bigger than A18, this one. So if we return B, it means that return the column next to it. So very poor. So it means that if your value is bigger than 25, you will directly return here very poor. Here, otherwise it means that slower than this one 25, but it's still bigger than A17 here. A17 15. So even it is lower than 25, but it's still bigger than 15. It will return the column next to the A. It means that B, you can see, right? A, right? A17, and then return B17 to you. So it means that return the next column to you poor. Otherwise, it means the less than 15, but it's still bigger than 16 here, bigger than 5. So if you like that, less than this one, but bigger than this one, we return good to you. Okay, the finals will be like that. Okay, actually they are doing the same thing like the similar merge here. Like that. So keep question here. Bigger. Okay, here. So I copy the thing here. So it's comparing those things here. So I put it here. 17. How about 26? 26. It means bigger than this one. Return the cell next to this column, and then maybe I put 1. So very good. How about 2? It means that in between 1 and 5. In between 1 and 5, it means that greater than 1 and lower than 5. It still return the first match one. Okay, because it merged this one and then it go down, but it cannot merge this one, so return the first match result. So still very good. So as you can see, 5 with good return good, and the 6, right? 6. So 6 return which one? Return good or poor. As I said, return the first match based on the smallest to the biggest, because we use an ascending list. So should be 6, right? 6 should be good. The first match result good here. As I copy the VLookup again. Okay, VLookup, very simple and short. Okay, the same. You search the B4 here, and then go down the table array. It means that the whole A14 to B18 here, and then column return second column, first and second column. But this time we use the omit method. It means that similar match. So as I said, similar match is the things looks like the multiple ifs. So maybe at 6, you go down low 6, right? We are searching 6, low 6, 1, 5, and bigger than 6. So should be in between here, and return the first match result. So should be good. So the same like that. How about 16? 16. Actually, they work the same results. And then 16, you can see here 16. So 15, right? Low 15, and then go to 16, low 16, low 16. But at least it matched 15 first. So you return the first match result to you. So like that. So as you can see, the advantages is shorter and easily to fix the error if you have, and also can if you have any modify, you may change the area easily to change it. You can see here, very simple, and you can save the space for use because very short, less storage space for you. So as you can see, the mark scheme will tell you that quicker to type, fewer mistakes, easier to spot the mistake, easier to change, less storage, easier to remember, something like that. And then now I finished the lookup and VLookup. Now I would like to talk about the work. You suppose you learn in the Form 1 too, but no problem. You remember a lot. So how can we change like that? You may create a table and this way copy, paste. No. As you can see here, so we can see the thing here. We need to know the column between them. How do you know where we put the line here? Because we based on the column. You can see column. Okay, column. Everywhere have the column should be replaced by a straight line here. So, and then we go to here. Okay, the column is the area to put a straight line. So first select the first step. Second, go to input. The third is go to table. Normally select the convert test to table rather than insert table. Convert, because we already have test, just convert. We are locked from an empty table. And then here, table columns, 1, 2, we need 2 columns, label of rows. And then you maybe looks like that, auto fit auto. How can we separate the test? As you can see, colons. So we go to here, and then for the first one like that, default we like that. So you change to this one column, colons, right? Colon and OK, and then you already converted for you. Convert all the colon to be a straight line, and that should be look like that, and done. So you can see the answer key should be looks like that, and then load document, highlight the text, select insert and table, convert text to table, 2 columns separate by the colon, and then OK. So 4 points. And then for the spell checking, how can you get the point full marks? Ask you how the underlying mechanism, how it works, and the spell checking. We use a dictionary. So again, compare first, and then with the dictionary or database. For the grammar, for the he is, not he are, so should be use the algorithm to check as well. So 2 points here, and then I finish.